I just cut it all off. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about me transitioning into natural. So going from relaxer to natural hair. I've been getting some questions about, you know, why I chose to go natural and what it's like to be natural and just like a whole bunch of questions. So I thought I would make a video answering all your questions. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're just going to get right into this video. Alright, so I've kind of mapped out on my phone like my journey, I guess you could say, so that I don't start rambling or anything like that. I just kind of want to get to the point and just like explain to you guys everything without rambling on for like too long. Just a little bit of background about me and my hair. I'm gonna try and put some pictures up on the screen so that you guys can see what I'm talking about as I'm explaining. So my hair has been relaxed since the age of 9. So from 9 till about, I want to say 20, I have been relaxing my hair. So obviously that wasn't a choice I made at 9 years old. That was my parents' choice. But my hair was just very hard to manage at that age. So yeah, so my hair was relaxed for a very long time, but it was healthy. Like if you can see in these pictures that I'm going to show you guys, my hair was very healthy. I would take care of it. I would do protective styles at times, and we would only get my hair relaxed when I really needed it. I'd get trims all the time and everything like that. So you can have really healthy, relaxed hair. It's just how you take care of it and how you maintain it. Now, going into first year university, my hair started to break. I feel like it was a combination of bad eating, stress, and just like a whole bunch of different things happening at the same time. And I think that, I don't know, for me it was really heartbreaking because I've always had this really long, healthy hair, and then my hair started to just like act kind of strange and just start breaking in random places. So that was concerning. Going into my second year of university, I decided, well actually no, I went to go see a hair professional in the city that I was living at the time for school, and he was basically like, you need to cut your hair, like you need to cut a lot of the dead ends off. Like if we don't cut it, it's just gonna keep breaking and you're gonna damage your hair. So I did like a mini big chop, I guess you could say, where I cut off my hair. It was like really short. It was like a bob. It's the shortest I've ever had my hair in my whole life, you guys. I was freaking out. I was like, what's going on? So yeah, so I cut my hair, and I thought, okay, like now I'm gonna take care of it. So then I started researching about deep treatment masks and doing like hair masks and stuff like that on my hair, and that's kind of what I started to do even as my hair was relaxed. There was a point where I decided to color my hair for some reason. That was really not smart. I had this like epiphany and I was like, you know what, let me just add some, you know, blonde or honey blondish ends to my hair, and I did it myself, which is not a good idea, you guys. Definitely get a professional if you want someone to do your hair. I don't recommend doing it yourself unless you like know what you're doing. Clearly I did not know what I was doing because my hair just started breaking even more after having gotten it cut to prevent breakage. So yeah, so that happened. After I had colored my hair and my hair was really damaged, I decided to take a step back and kind of evaluate the situation, because I was like, oh boy, like what am I gonna do now? Like, do I just cut it even shorter, get rid of those like bleach ends and start from scratch? Like I didn't know. And I was having a conversation with my mother and she was kind of like, oh Arielle, like you're all into like this natural stuff. Like at the time I was super into like natural stuff, and like I was like fully vegan at the time, and she was like, oh, like, you know, it's chemicals, like when you relax your hair it's like really bad for you and blah blah. So I was kind of like, I don't know, maybe you're right. So I did a little bit of research myself and I was like, you know what, it is not the best chemicals for you. Like I'm not gonna lie, like relaxer is just not, it's not the best, but you know, it works for some people and some people still choose to use it. So I mean, everyone's choice is their own. So I decided, you know what, let me take a break. Let me stop doing relaxer and let me attempt this natural hair stuff. What I decided to do is, I personally didn't see myself doing the big chop. Like that just wasn't, it just wasn't in the plans for me. So yeah, so I decided, I was like, you know what, let me just do the transitioning process, but like where you grow out your hair and then you like slowly cut it off. So that's what I decided to do. I started to learn how to braid my hair at that time also. I was like, this is something, you know, I should learn how to do. So I started to learn how to braid my hair. So I would literally, you know, wash my hair, then put it back in braids all the time. So I was doing that for like, how many months? I was doing that for a while. Yeah, I was doing that for a while. Now going into the big chop process. So it was actually May 31st, 2019 is when I decided, you know what, I've had enough of this like transitioning period. If you have done transitioning before, you understand when I say it's really annoying because you have two textures on your hair and it's just like really hard to take care and maintain and kind of just like deal with, like when you have curly hair and then you have like straight hair and then your straight hair is breaking off and it's just like really weird. So I had enough and I was like, you know what, I need to cut this off. Like it's been a couple months, like it was like March, April, May, so it's been like 3 months, and I was like, you know what, let me just cut it off. So I cut it myself, you guys. I bought some shears at the beauty supply store and I just cut it all off. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was really scary and I wasn't sure what the heck I was doing, but it was also like a little bit freeing because it was like, oh my god, like I'm actually doing this now. Like I'm not like half in, like 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Actually ended up just wearing braids for about, I don't know how many months, for quite a while actually. And I actually ended up just learning how to trim my hair myself. So every time I would see like, you know, my hair is getting really long and I would see like a straight end, I would just like cut it off myself. I don't think that's the best way to do it, but that's what I ended up doing and it worked for me. Like my hair grew really fast. I was doing deep conditioning treatments every time I'd wash it. I was putting hair oil in there, castor oil, just all that kind of stuff, and my hair grew really fast. I actually started wearing it out. So it was only when I could actually put it up in like a puff is when I started to wear it out, which was super weird for me, but it was really exciting. And I was trying to like learn how to manage my natural hair, because that's the thing, it's like if you have it in braids all the time, it's really hard for you to like understand how to like take care of it and manage it and how to, you know, what to do with it in its natural form. So this is a picture of my hair in July, and then this is another picture of my hair in October. So we went from July to October. After October, the October picture, so I had my grad pictures in February. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to go to the hairdresser and see if I can get a silk press. I was very curious to see like the length of my hair, and I also felt like I needed to get a really good trim. They ended up straightening my hair for me, and you guys, I was shocked by how long my hair was. Like it hadn't even been a year and my hair grew like crazy long. Like I was just shocked, you guys. So I went to get it cut and straightened, and I'll insert a picture right here of what my hair looked like when it was straightened. And this was from May 31st, 2019 to February, I think it was like 2020. So this was 2020 this year. After getting my hair trimmed professionally, I could tell that my hair really needed that. My curls were just like, felt like more alive and they were popping, so I was really happy about that. And I just continued to wear my hair out in between playing around with it and also wearing braids. Fast forward to right now, my hair has gotten so much longer. Obviously being in quarantine, I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna let my hair do its thing. I'm not gonna touch it too much. I'm just gonna let it grow, which it has grown a lot. So the 6 months this month since I've actually gotten my hair done professionally, which is straightened and cut. I'm planning on going in September, hopefully, I think, to get it straightened again and trimmed so I can see how long my hair has gotten. I'll definitely, if I do end up going to get it straightened within the month of September or October, I'll definitely bring you guys along so you guys can see how much longer my hair has actually gotten. I really enjoyed filming this actually. It was very interesting for me to go back and kind of see my journey of how far I've come with my hair. Obviously everybody's hair, like I said earlier in this video, is different. So love your hair the way it is, or the way you want it to be. Everybody has beautiful hair, so just remember that. Alright, that's everything for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram. I have it always linked down below. Follow me on there. I always post content. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.